walk like you own the world. Nortiv 8 Women's Cushion Sneakers for unmatched comfort and style. Say goodbye to sore feet and hello to cloud-like cushioning. Nortiv 8 women's walking shoes are designed with a high elastic EVA midsole that absorbs shock and provides a bouncy, soft feel. Whether you're strolling through the park, running errands, or hitting the gym, these shoes are your secret weapon against foot fatigue. Unlike other sneakers that squeeze and pinch, the flexible design offers a smooth, comfort-first fit that supports your feet without compromise. Feel the difference, these shoes don't just look good, they make you feel amazing with every step. Ready to conquer any surface? With a full rubber outsole and unique tread pattern, these sneakers provide top-tier grip and stability. Whether you're taking fast-paced walks, running sprints, or doing some serious workouts, the deep heel cup and Lycra-backed design ensure enhanced wraparound support for stability like never before. Forget slippery shoes, these bad boys keep you grounded, providing you with the confidence to take on any terrain. No more worrying about wear and tear, Nortiv 8 is built to outlast and outperform. We all know the struggle of swampy feet, but not with these. The jacquard upper and Lycra mesh lining keep your feet breathing easy and feeling fresh. The fabric is skin-friendly, so whether you're in the gym or running errands, you'll never have to worry about blisters or discomfort. These shoes deliver the ultimate comfort and ventilation to ensure your feet stay dry and cool, even during intense activity. Experience the comfort you've been dreaming of with every move you make. These sneakers are fashion-forward and practical, designed with 3M reflective strips for added visibility in low-light conditions. Whether you're out for a sunset run or walking home from a late-night workout, you'll shine bright and stay safe. Be seen, be stylish, and stand out in any crowd. With modern colors and sleek lines, these shoes aren't just practical, they're a statement. Go ahead, show off your style while staying visible and secure, even at night. Why settle for overpriced sneakers when you can get premium comfort, durability, and style for less? Nortiv 8 women's walking shoes are crafted with the latest tech, ensuring your feet are treated to supportive cushioning and stability every step of the way. The high-quality materials and superior craftsmanship make these sneakers worth every penny. Plus, they're designed for all-day wear, so whether you're standing for hours or running around town, you can rely on them to keep you comfy and stylish without breaking the bank. Ready to step up your shoe game? Grab a pair and feel the magic for yourself.